An Austin woman accused of killing a pro-cyclist and then hiding in Costa Rica is preparing for trial. But before the trial happens, Kaitlin Armstrong's defense attorney is fighting to have some evidence thrown out. KVUE's Natalie Haddad is live outside the Travis County Courthouse tonight. Natalie, what evidence are they trying to prevent from being shown during this trial?
Hey, good evening to you, Brian. Interviews and affidavits were the hot topic in court today. Kaitlin Armstrong entered the courtroom with her defense team this morning with hopes of getting evidence from the night of Anna Mo Wilson's death tossed out pending her trial, of course. Now, Armstrong is accused of murdering Wilson back in May. The night of the killing, Armstrong was interviewed by Austin police detective. It's that interview, her defense team says, was conducted unfairly, and they want it thrown out of Armstrong's pending trial. Additionally, the defense says the affidavit detailing the interview is inaccurate. Now today, Douglas Deaton, an investigator, took the stand as an expert witness to share an analysis of the interview and affidavit. Deaton says in the interview, Armstrong could be heard asking for an attorney and saying she'd like to leave, and neither request were immediately granted. He explained in his professional opinion that this is the point the interview should have ended. Now, regarding the affidavit, Deaton said it shares inaccurate statements made by Armstrong and her then boyfriend during their respective interviews. It also notes anonymous tips received by police that were not corroborated. Now, Deaton says with his respective experience, it is not an affidavit he would have ever approved. And Deaton went on to say that the way the interview was done and the way the affidavit was written shows, quote, poor leadership from APD, and it is an indicator that the detective over the crime is inexperienced. Now, the prosecution questioned Deaton's professional opinions, asking why he did not ask the defense about those anonymous tips received. Deaton on the stand said that it was his understanding that those anonymous tips would not be made available to him. Now, what comes next is on November 9th, both the defense and prosecution will go back to the courtroom where the judge will make a decision regarding those motions to suppress evidence. Cameras will likely not be allowed in the courtroom then either, but KVUE will certainly be there to bring you the latest. I'll send it back to you.
Natalie Haddad live in downtown Austin for us tonight. Thank you, Natalie.